Hola amigos, welcome to Chef Myra's kitchen with me, Chef Myra, where we make the simplest and delicious meals for you and your family. So today guys, I have a special guest in the house, my daughter Rina, aka Toka Explorer. So today, Rina, what are you going to show us?
Today I'm going to be making donut puffs using Caroline's mixed cake.
That's right. We're going to be making donut puffs using the Caroline cake mix. Come along.
Put your flour in a clean container. Mix your yeast with warm water, set it aside for 5 minutes. Add your eggs, milk, formed yeast, and margarine. Mix this until it is well combined. Knead your dough until it is smooth.